challenge. This one is called Students Final Grade. We're doing it in JavaScript. And as always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes right below the video. Give it a shot before watching. You've always got this to fall back on, okay? All right, so create a function, final grade, which calculates the final grade of a student depending on two parameters, a grade for the exam and a number of completed projects. The function should take two arguments, exam grade for exam, 0 to 100. So that's this. And then projects, number of completed projects from 0 and above. Okay, this function should return a number, final grade. There are 4 types of final grades. 100 if the grade for the exam is more than 90, or if a number of completed projects is more than 10. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be a bunch of if else's here. So we're gonna do if exam is greater than or equal to 90, or projects is greater than 10. Okay, return 100. Okay, next step. 90 if the grade for the exam is more than 75, and here's an and, you gotta watch these ands, okay, and if a number of completed projects is minimum, is 5, okay? So, if exam is greater than 75, you gotta watch these. They're saying more than here, so it's more than, not more than or equal to, okay? So we have an and here, and this is hard, man. Translating regular language into code is tricky. If a number of completed projects is minimum 5, okay? So if projects greater than or equal to 5, okay, return a 90. Okay. You could do a bunch of if else's here. This to me is more readable. Just do it on one line. Because when you return, it's not going to do anything below the return line, right? So you get the same output here with a nice, clear function, okay? All right, so we got 90. Okay, the next step, 75. If a grade for the exam is more than 50. Okay, so if exam is greater than 50, and if a number of completed projects is minimum 2. So, and projects is greater than or equal to 2. That is a 75. Okay. All else fails, 0. Okay. Man, that's pretty harsh. You go from a C to a 0 there. All right, let's see if we got this. All right, so far so good. Let's do a full submission here. Oh, I got one wrong. Okay, so exam is 90, projects is 0, expected 100 to equal 0. Oh, I missed that. Okay. 90 if the grade for the exam is more than 75. And, did I do an and here? I did an and, or I did an or here. Project for the exam is 75, and a number of completed projects is minimum 5. What did I get? Exam was 90, projects was 0, expected 100 to equal 0. 100 if the grade for the exam is more than 90, or if a number of completed projects is more than 10. Yeah, they said or here. I think if I change this to an and, we'll pass. Let's see. All right, let's do a full test here. Yep, that's not, what the deuce? Okay. All right, let's do a full test again here. See what test is failing. Okay, so the exam was 90. Oh, if the exam is more than 90. Oh, okay. I didn't pay attention to the instructions, so I guess I was wrong. That's so surprising. I'm never wrong. Okay, so what I did was I did not read the instructions. It says if a grade for the exam is more than 90. So I did greater than or equal to 90. Okay, I think this will pass now. Let's do a full submission here. Thank God for tests. Good job, y'all.